Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make bevel perspective image in Outlook. So guys, let's start it. At first, open your Outlook document. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for picture option. Then click for the this device option. Then initialize picture for the open. This show the is the picture and go to the picture style option. Then click for the bevel perspective image. Then okay. Then I show the bevel perspective image in Outlook. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for